And now our pilots are all set to paint the skies in Sarang colors. Unge ane varakku marakka modiyada anubhavta itara nanga ready. Chennai, ninga ready? Let's make some memories together. And now, without further ado, please welcome the brand ambassadors of the Indian Air Force, the Sarang Helicopter Display Team. The team is maintaining the Yodha formation dedicated to all the air warriors as we celebrate the 92nd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. Leading the formation is the Commanding Officer Group Captain Santosh Kumar Mishra in Sarang 1. Flying right behind him is Sarang 5, followed by number 4. Sarang 2 is formatting to his left and Sarang 3 is to his right. The co-pilot of Sarang 1 is Squadron Leader Buddhi Sagar Domre. To showcase the might of the domestic defense industry and Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Sarang team soars through the skies in the state-of-the-art, the advanced light helicopter Dhruv. And now get ready to witness the change in formation from the Yodha formation to the English letter I in the sky. And now this I stands for you, me, our motherland, and for these indigenously developed helicopters. And now coming in from your right, Sarangs representing the Atmanirbharta of our nation, the India formation. The pilot in command of Sarang 2 is Wing Commander Chanpriya with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Sachin Govind. The captain of Sarang 3 is Wing Commander Avinash with his co-pilot Wing Commander V. Number Chennai Payyan Wing Commander Gokul Krishnan are local boys in command of Sarang 4 with his co-pilot Squadron Leader Karan Prabhakar. And our number 5 is being flown by Tamil Natan Tavapudalvan Squadron Leader Akash, fondly called as Talapati by our team, with his co-pilot Wing Commander Adarsh Thakur. The safety officer for today's show is Flight Lieutenant Ajit, assisted by the videographers. और अब जल्द ही लीडर के आदेश पर आप देखेंगे टीम को डायमंड फॉर्मेशन में. We shall listen out for the leader's call. That was the leader and here's the reaction. Sarang in the diamond formation, Anayta Tamlar Galakkum or Anba Samarpanam. Do not shift your gaze, you are in for a breathtaking surprise. And here goes number 4 pulling up for a stall turn. The Sarangs are performing gracefully in the sky while below the guardians of our seas, the Coast Guard ships, stand watch. What a sight to behold. You can be with the pilots and wish them luck. Here they are making a short exit and will soon be back in the arena with more trim. Indian Air Force, potent, powerful, self-reliant. Showcasing these qualities, Sarangs are now positioning for the team's signature maneuver, the Dolphins Leap. All three helicopters flying abreast with the vertical plane and carry out a synchronized stall turn to the left. Dolphin kadalla paathirpinga. Vaanathilla paathirkingala. Idu ungalakkaga sarang 1, 2 and 3 for the Dolphins leap. Number 4 joining up with the formation. And now a word about the maintenance team who ensures that these 5 birds take to the skies and return safe. The team of the technicians is being ably led by Wing Commander Priyanshu. உலகத்திலே வரை 5 helicopter military display team நாங்க தான் சொல்றதுல ரொம்ப பெருமைப்படுறோம். And on this note, set your gaze straight ahead as the team is rolling in for the crossover break. Both the pairs flying abreast will execute a synchronized banking until their rotors are nearly vertical and crossing in very close proximity. Look straight ahead for the crossover break as we await the lead. Chennai, enjoy maneuvering last. Sarangik urpiriya whistle bodanga. Everyone now get ready to witness the unmatched precision of our pilots even closer to you. So hold your breath as both pairs will close in towards each other and the pilots will execute a coordinated pitch up, cross each other's flight path with just a hair's breadth of separation. तो अपनी नजरें दोनों ओर बनाए रखें क्योंकि आपकी दाहिनी ओर से आ रहे हैं सारंग 1 और सारंग 3 और बाईं ओर से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं सारंग 2 और सारंग 4 लेवल क्रॉस के लिए. It will be a matter of astonishment to you all that while doing these daredevil maneuvers, the aircraft maintains the distance of less than 10 meters. And now coming in from opposite directions are Sarang 3 and Sarang 4 are